Ciumia igiri cia watho uria warutirwo ni ministry ya ukui wa kuhinga thabari ciothe cia ndege kuma kana kuingira bururi-ini ni ukinyite muthia, no niguo kuhinga mianya ya kuingiria murimu uyu wa homa ya COVID-19 guku bururi-ini, thirikari ithugundite kuongerera ihinda riri ria watho uyu na thiku ingi 30.
This suspension will not, however, apply to those flights that are coming in to evacuate foreign nationals from the country. It also exempts cargo flights that are coming to the country to deliver goods. They must not, however, have passengers on board.
Murwaru wa mbere wa homa ya COVID-19 guku bururi-ini okite na ndege kuma bururi wa Amerika agereire mucii wa London Ngeretha tariki 5 mweri wa gatatu, na nikio gukanja thabari cia ndege thirikari yugite ni njira imwe ya kuhukia gutamba kwa homa ino.
Whoever is coming must give us 72 hours notice. So if you have any plans to evacuate your nationals, you must plan, you must give us advance notice of 72 hours at the very least.
Na kuona ndege cia gukua mirigo citigiritio kuingira guku bururi-ini, thirikari ni ihariirie gutuma ndege imwe ya kambuni ya Kenya Airways bururi-ini wa China kiumia giukite.
So we require these cargo flights to keep on coming to our country. In fact, as we are talking, we are already planning for Kenya Airways to fly on Wednesday to China to basically collect some key equipment, medical equipment, which will come to help us in the interventions which we have right now.
Ihinda-ini riu mukana mururu ni urutiirwo ngari cia ukui wa muingi iria kuratuika ni ciragarara mawatho maria mekiritwo. Minister akiuga makinya maria megutacukio kumanagia na riu megutuma ene matatu icio mekunyemoni.
And for this one we are working together with the Minister of Interior. The police have been briefed accordingly and there will be no exemption. We know last time we made this announcement, and the same day you could see borders carrying 3 people. This must be understood very clearly. Whoever flouts these regulations will have themselves to blame.
Thirikari ikoretwo igithingiriria a Kenya kurumirira motaro maria mararekererio mitambo-ini itiganite ya ukinyaniria iria ni hamwe na TV ino ya Inoro, na ona gutuika kuri a Kenya matarathingata motaro maya, thirikari ndiratigithiria amu muregakirwo ndarega gakihitwo. Handu-ini ha Inoro TV, njitagwo Kiama Kariuki.